Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this episode we're going to talk about EOS and ADA to the moon. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. Really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're going to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, when stream is done, join us on the Discord. Link is in the description. No, link's going out right now, I guess. There's the links. Anyways, if you want to get an awesome display like the one you see up here, go to cryptocoindisplay.com. Use the code STATEOFCRYPTO for 10% off at checkout. What else did I need to say, man? I feel like I'm forgetting something. Yeah, I think this hit like on the sub, maybe. I forgot to say that. But sure, I started off with the wrong screen, dude. I was rushing back. Dinner came in late today, so I was rushing back to like eat something real quick. And yeah, I'm here now. That's what matters. Sorry about being late. On that note, let's go see who's in the house, man. May, wrong chat. Yeah, wrong starting screen. Yep. Hello. Good evening, Redline Venom. How goes it? Yeah, it goes good, man. Jake saying to the moon, thank you for being here, Jake. And forgot the dog. Yeah, I forgot the dog. Forgot the dag. Get the dags right. Let's get started. I mean, I know I'm starting late, so I'm behind on people, I guess. We'll see what's going to happen, man. We'll see what's going to happen. Let's go check out market cap. Right. So market cap, we're starting to see some action to the downside. That is fun. We had the bearish divergence yesterday and indecision day, coming down very, very close to $2.2 trillion. We still managed to close at $2.32 trillion right now at $2.30 trillion. Not bad at all for market cap. Again, would be nice if it would move higher, but we don't have any kind of bullish divergence right now to help us. And the last thing we have is strong bearish. So a little bit of that action to the downside. Bitcoin dominance at 45.55% of market cap. The coin list didn't update. That's weird. Let's see why it is not updating. XTZ. It's weird. Thought I had saved it prior to the stream starting, so. All right, so awesome. Jonathan, what is up, man? Just got here. Didn't get a notification. I'm having a great night. If you are not getting notifications, turn them off and then turn them back on. I guess that's a way to fix it. Let's get rolling. Let's go through Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin yesterday losing a little bit of dominance. 1.14% today, going up a little bit, 0.19%. Again, nothing too crazy. Sitting at 45.54% of market cap. The price of the corn. Where's the corn at? $56,064. Again, some of that action downside still. We did pump. We're still up in this level. Retesting that 55,406. Getting very close to that 20 moving average. But again, still in a good area. Not worried about it where it's at right now. We are bought at 50.05. ADA to the dollar. Yes, ADA's already in the list. It's going to be the second coin we'll look at. Actually, your third coin we'll look at. No, man, all congratulations need to be clear with mods before they actually come onto the stream. Litecoin's already in the list, D5000. So we're looking for the bearish divergence. We did get some movement to downside pop. Still have this bearish divergence for potential action downside and moving down. Moving down, hitting that 20, trying to find support, losing it right now. And on that move, we might go to 55,406. So we knew yesterday that we could go down. It was there. It was as clear as day. Oh, we don't have it here against the RSI, just against the MACD. Neutral 47.44. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. It's all good, man. Add the set of crypto and then coin. The asset that you need me to look at. It's about time, ADA. I know. It's about time ADA pumped. Bitcoin. Last time we looked, we had this divergence, right? We broke in this line. We were going bullish. Up until 5 in the morning, we created some bearish divergence. We were fine yesterday. Floating down here. It was fine. We were consolidating. Try to rally, and what happened here is that we created this strong bearish divergence for action downside. That's why Bitcoin moved down a bit. Again, it's not crazy. It did go to support, bounce. It's below that 20 moving average, so I'm not really happy about that. But it's still above 55,406, which is good. That means it's just holding. We are sold at 39.52. What I'm thinking we might do is going to be very quick here. We might close slightly lower, right? And that's going to get us to where we're making this strong bullish divergence, and then we could try to pop up again, and that would be awesome for Bitcoin. Right now we don't quite have it, so we might round back to Bitcoin as the hour closes to see what's going to happen, right? Running it here, I got to come back. Cody, sure. Link, awesome. I'll put them on the list real quick, right, before we move on to the next coin. Steps into his heels. What is up? Let's keep rolling, man. Let's go to EOS. What the heck is happening with EOS, man? Where are you, EOS? I can't find you. EOS, here it is. So EOS, let's check. Everything's going higher. So on the daily, it's good. It just took off. Yesterday, we got a magic day, 31.66% to the upside. The day before, we had gotten 37% to the upside. And today, we're getting 6% to the upside. So it's just mooning. It's gone insane. It's out of here, man. Again, if you were not on EOS prior to this, good luck catching up. You're now going to be in pain because you could have doubled your money real quick in the last 2 days, right? EOS performing extremely well. We haven't come and looked at it. Last thing we had was this bearish divergence. Moved down. We created some hidden bullish. We just haven't been rounding back to EOS, right? No one's been requesting EOS. Let's keep this here on the daily. Again, EOS. Bullish divergence. Hidden action to the upside, right? Litecoin hitting the all-time high. I'm not sure. I haven't gone back to Litecoin. It might have. It could have, right? We'll check it once we get to the list. I'll put it here. ATH, right? ADA about to make Binance look like a joke. That would be interesting. So it's fine. EOS is doing good. Again, if you're holding it, congratulations. It's just overbought at 80.03. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Chromia, sure. So 4-hour, low to high, and a low to high. Again, everything's fine here. There's nothing bearish. EOS, again, getting above that 3618, rejecting the 4618. Nothing wrong. Overbought at 70, what is this? 78.97. Right now, there's nothing off, right? We're just going sideways here. If this closes higher, we're going to start creating some bearish divergence here. Might go down, but right now it's okay. Again, got to wait for this to close, right? Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right line Venom, the set of crypto. Anything else you see on EOS chart that might give us some notion from technical standpoint? Yeah, I'm checking, man, because we haven't been looking at this that often, so I gotta see what's happening here right now first. First things, we're having some bearish divergence, and that's gonna imply action to downside. And with that, we are moving down, right? We have it against the MACD and the RSI. CKB, man, awesome. It's on the list. Anyways, we are bought at 65.51. Checking real quick, seeing where we're at. See if we have something here that would tell us we're gonna moon. We're gonna moon. Way back here, there was some bullish divergence, right? For action to the upside. On April 25th. And low, higher. I think I'd say, like, if this would have been a good indicator that price shift would have changed a strong bullish divergence, and after that, we just started running up. Maybe on the 4-hour, see if there's anything here that would have said something, right? About the same time, I guess, low or sideways, and then coming up. So again, here I'm assuming a little bit more. We might be looking at some medium. Yeah, it's low to high and negative, less negative, and low to high. So there's nothing bullish here. Here we have some bullish divergence back here, right? Look at this. Bam. Again, looking at this in retrospect, it's like not what we should be doing. That's strong bullish divergence, actually the upside pumping sense. It's all good. And EOS here short term, some bearish divergence. We could have looked for some potential action downside, but that's about it. And then on the 1 hour chart, like I said, we have this, and again, for potential action downside, right? Daily, it's cool. And daily, it's fine. You're gonna put 1K on EOS? I think it's already taken off, dude. You had to do it like maybe here yesterday. Right, you could be buying near the top for EOS. It's already gone, right? It's already mooned. We just looked at why it mooned. Andrew had asked for EOS to UAD, so I'm not sure if that's even here. I think he might have said USD, but he typed UAD on the chart. So I already checked it. Again, looking really good right now. Overbought, so might be getting some action downside. Also overbought here short term. There's nothing. See how it just pulled back down here? We're high to low. High to low and high to low. A little bit, it was like about the same high. So you gotta wait for it to close, and then here on the 1 hour again, that bearish divergence, action downside, and getting some rejection of higher prices. So that's it for EOS. Let's go check out ADA. ADA at $1.57. It's getting some pullback now, but it was doing so nice earlier today. It had managed to pump 11.39%, and then the day prior 16%. So the last 2 days have been really, really good for ADA. We still have this bearish divergence here against the RSI, but no longer against the MACD, right? Against the MACD, it is slightly higher. In that note, we are neutral. We are bought at 63.41. So again, bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. Yesterday, we did come back tested that $1.40 support in bounce, which was pretty good. I really, really wish it was just, maybe consolidate real quick and then try to go for that 1618 up here. That'll be a really, really good move for ADA. On the 4 hour chart, we had some bearish divergence yesterday. We kept on pumping. We didn't care about it. We did get a small movement here from the session, but that's about it. It just kept on rallying, and we no longer have it against the MACD or the RSI. Right, so it's doing okay right now. And we are bought at 60.92. Again, there's nothing here, right? The bullishness that we have is already traced. It's all good. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. You're long an ADA dot and ETH dot and ADA, right? Yeah. Send likes to the moon. I'm not even sure how many people we have. 25. Awesome. Thank you guys for being here again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. The Discord. All right. Let's spend this. Let's roll. So we're coming up slightly higher here. And then high to low. And high to low as well. So strong bearish divergence, right? We do have that. And it's moving us down a bit. Now, good evening, Carthago. How's it going, man? We've been back here for about a week now. It's awesome to be here. We're not getting notifications. Hit that bell to turn them off, and then hit the bell to turn them on again. And you should be notified, I guess. That's how we're dealing with that. Because not everyone's getting notified. Neutral at 49.76, right? So, it's not bad. It has some hidden bullish divergence. With that, some possibility for action to upside. So it's all good. Oh, you found out today your buddy's brother going to Safe Moon? Oh, good luck with that. ADA, hidden bullish. Could try to rally. Maybe go for that 20 again. But overall, we have strong bearish divergence. We just had a nice pump. We should be due for some pullback. Let's go check out Ethereum. What is happening with ETH? Where's my Ethereum, dude? Oh, here it is. $3,417.63. Ethereum getting some pullback. It is fine. We did create some bearish divergence at 10 in the morning after creating a new all-time high, which, again, it's fine. It's just still pushing all-time highs, right? Will it go more down than Terran? Good question. Let me round back to ADA real quick just to answer that. We'll get below $1.55. It could really just count to $1.40. That's where support is at on the 1 hour chart. Like this at $1.55. I mean, if we hold on to this hidden bullish, we could try to bounce. Otherwise, yeah, there's no reason why we couldn't be going down here, right? Even at $1.45. So I wouldn't rule it out. We're like 1 cent away from it. But again, we do have this hidden bullish that's going to try to make us hold potentially and see where we go from there. Again, Ethereum, let's move there. Ethereum 3,412. On the daily, right, we had the bearish divergence. We're pulling back down. That is fine. We are overbought at 71.75. And again, cooling off on these RSI quite quickly. That's fine. Let's just go here and say it's 3,610.04. There we go. New all-time high for Ethereum yesterday. It's doing good, man. Let's go to the 4 hour. We were looking for the bearish divergence. We did get a slight move down. We didn't quite go to that 20, and then we pumped more. That tracks to there. This tracks to here. And this tracks onto here. And with that, we still have that bearish divergence strong. Action on the downside. Moving down. Hitting that 20 on the 4 hour right now. That 20 is sitting at $3,402.53. We're like $2 away from it. And again, not really doing that bad, right? Short term, I do believe we might still be creating some hidden divergence here, hidden bullish. Again, this divergence is the same as going to here and then drawing a line from here to here, right? I'm just saying there's one straight line to there. So I'm looking at this and saying, yo, what's going to be going on with this? We are creating hidden bullish divergence at potential support again. So we can try to like hold and bounce again. Dips. When should you buy ADA? When should you buy Cardano? That's a good question. You should buy it whenever you feel like you should buy it. I cannot tell you when to buy. I already did an analysis for it. You gotta wait for a recap, right? No, what? That's crazy, man. Anyways, low to high, hidden bullish, potential action to the upside. Above that 20 moving average right now. Not too bad. We could retest 3,610. Neutral at 55.96. Let's go to the 1 hour, see what we have there. On the 1 hour chart, we also created this bearish divergence. Look at this. Strong bearish divergence. Right, high to low and high to low. There we go. A low to high, negative, more negative, yeah, and lower low, hidden bullish again. Right? I mean, it is really trying to hold on here to some kind of support, and let's see if it's going to get it. It would be nice if it gets it, right? I would like if it got some support and bounce again. Again, Ethereum being a beast, not pumping as hard, but still being a beast. It's in a dip right now. Yeah, it's dipping a bit. Alex, what is up? Thanks for being here. He's doing the phase that goes like this. So I think he's thinking about something. Hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Ethereum, going crazy, man. Still making all-time highs. Every day it makes an all-time high. All-time high, all-time high. Again, every day also pulls back down. Every time we go up, though, it's less strength, right? We're going up, but we're like really not pushing that high and then struggling. That's why I said we might get to the same high. We're really struggling to break higher now. Not too bad. That's it for ETH again. Not looking horrible. Yeah. Let's go to Ethereum. Let's go to Binance. Dips, dude, you gotta wait for me to go back to Cardano, you know. Let's go to Binance. Binance $2, $617 and 38 cents. Again, consolidation after the bearish divergence. Strong, it's fine. A low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Neutral at 58.80. So nothing on the daily. Bearish divergence, strong, action downside, hidden bullish, pumping. Now we're dropping, so we're consolidating, but failing to drop lower than the previous low, so we could get continuation, low to high, negative, less negative. And then here, do we have, it looks like it's though we might, yeah, we have some divergence here, hidden bullish, which again could try to get us to pop again, right? That's why I'm going to go here with the hit bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. If we do pump up, we're gonna have to go probably for that 20 moving average. And that 20 moving average right now is at $640.02. If we fell, you know, we could still come down here, hit support at the previous 100% high, which would be here at $606, $605.65. Try to hold that support and bounce back up, and we could still close with divergence. Yeah, we'll see. For Binance, let's go to Litecoin. So once that Litecoin made an all-time high, I'm not sure. $361.85. Let's go to the daily. Hasn't made an all-time high. It is breaking its previous all-time high closing, but the all-time high would be up here at 420. We haven't gotten to 420. We are trying to move up though, right? Which is fine. And we still have this bearish divergence here. 76, 75, 75.99. We're still carrying on to this divergence there. Like I said, we might get rid of it. Particularly if we get above that 1618, we'll probably be getting rid of it. So we're just overbought at 75.89. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. All right, going back up. Awesome. 420 was on Binance only. Interesting. 4-hour chart. What are we doing? High, slightly higher high, and we're coming down here, right? So we're starting to create this strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside. And we're bought at 66.49. Again, neutral, bought at 66.18. Not bad. Again, potential action downside. And the fact that we have divergence. Market's extremely bullish. Remember, during extremely bullish momentums, or during extremely bullish markets, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Same holds true for bullish indicators during a bear market, right, or extremely bearish market. Again, we're looking for this. That tracked down to there. That tracks down to there, and that tracks to here. Now, lower low, negative, less negative. We're starting to create now strong bullish divergence. So we did pop, hit that 20, rejected briefly, it's fine. Again, nothing crazy. And here we're having this bounce that we're getting on the fact that we have strong bullish divergence, and with that potential for action to the upside. Again, low, lower, low to high, high to low, high to low, right? So we do have some hidden bearish divergence that is starting to build. And again, putting some pressure on the price as we're trying to get above this resistance. And that resistance right now happens to be at like $363. We are bought at 61.89. That's about it. I mean, it's not really doing much right now. It did move a bit up. It's okay. Still getting 2% today. I mean, Ethereum's going down. Bitcoin's going down a bit. So it's not doing horrible. I really wish it was, pumping with a little bit more strength. So once the ADA's going up, we'll see. I see ADA struggling. It is starting to go up from where we called it at, so that's fine. But it's struggling here to get above that 20. It needs to get above that 20 moving average to confirm it's holding support, and then try to pump from there. Maybe go slightly higher, but yeah, it's fine. It's getting rid of this divergence, at least against the RSI, although it's still keeping it against the MACD. So let's go to RSR. By the way, how was your trading day, guys? Let me know as I clean my glasses, because them glasses need to be cleaned. How's your trading day? Do you guys make money? Do you guys lose money? You guys do okay? Y'all get wrecked? I hope not. Let me know. Got to go. You switch back from YouTube. Good evening. Oh, why you not like the YouTube platform? Still looking to clear out your Ethereum Classic? Right. Jake's not trading, he's just coding. That's awesome. OMG pump. Alright, Gina's Music, what is up? Thank you for being here, man. When ADA goes up, you have a good day. Alright. How many says he never makes money on anything? Sad face. G-Word, what is up, dude? Thanks for being here.
What's up?
Let's go to RSR. Let's do RSR on the daily. Again, it's moving down. There we go. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Neutral at 45.98. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. So again, not a lot happening here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Long time no see. I know I'm starting to be, I basically just got back, so I'm here every day now. Again, guys, if you haven't done it, please help us out. Give us some likes. The algorithm. You have to smash the like button for the algorithm. Otherwise, YouTube's not going to like us. And if they don't like us, they'll kick us out of here. And we want to be here. We want to grow here and create awesome content. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. Low to high, negative, less negative, low. That small move just made bullish divergence. This small move down just created some strong bullish divergence. Let's see if we're going to hold on to it. Again, this is still moving. It's still shifting. It's very much alive still. So let's see how we're going to close this for our candle. But right now, it looks as though we were trying to go for that divergence. And we just barely have it here against the RSI, right? XRP, heck, yeah. Andrew says he sold some ADA temporarily to trade other cryptos now. ADA pumps. Yeah. Makes you happy and sad at the same time. Well, that's diversification, right? That's where you hold different assets. Karen says he's diversifying his buy price for ADA. Awesome. We are sold at 38.30. That is it here on the 1 hour, or the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Low to high, high to low, right? Hidden divergence of the bearish kind. Not hidden, strong divergence, bearish. Strong divergence of the bearish kind. Here we go. Action downside, moving down on that. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, lower still. So I'm going to look here a little bit closer. And here we can tell that we are creating some of that strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Not against the RSI, though. The RSI said, no way. Again, we're sitting sold at 36.30. Potential for action upside. Let's see if we can get that. RSR is really due for a pump. Let's see if we can get that. And let's go to DVT, man. DVT did something today, according to some of you guys. I still see it at 2.218 cents. So not a lot. Let's go to DVT here on South Exchange. Oh, it did something and then it crashed. Oh, sad. Oh, no, look at that. It did go up and then came back down. Let's get some indicators here real quick. By the way, guys, I have a question. Would the stream starting an hour earlier be better for everyone? Like, let's say the stream, instead of starting at 9 p.m. Central, would start at 8 p.m. Central. So in the East Coast, it would be 9 p.m. Eastern, and then it will be 6 p.m. On the West Coast. So Erdex says no. A lot of people seem to be saying yes. Well, the reason behind it is, here in the East Coast, yeah, the reason behind it is a lot of our mods happen to be on the East Coast. So, for them, by the time the stream finishes at midnight sometimes, it's already 1 in the morning. And I do want to know if, yeah, you could go to bed earlier, right? I mean, for me, it's the thing about, we're not getting a lot of growth on this time frame, on this time schedule that we have. So I want to see if we move the stream earlier an hour could help us maybe get a little bit of growth. HD says, I'm old, I need sleep, East Coast, right? I keep you up later than you want to be up. I'm sorry about that, Andrew. Yeah, I'm thinking about like doing special trade early. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing the stream an hour earlier and see how it goes, see how many people we pick up, and how good it is for you guys. It's also sometimes it gets to be really late for me, particularly when we drag past midnight, like the old streams where we used to be into 1 in the morning for me. For you guys in the East Coast, was already 2 in the morning. And, so I'm thinking about maybe starting an hour earlier. It's nice to be around when the daily close occurs. Yeah, that'll be around 7 p.m. I cannot be here at 7, though. You'll watch it whatever time frame. That's awesome. Will the dog be awake then? Yeah, very likely, man. Terrence at 6 a.m. now. Okay, so it's going to be, 5 a.m. I guess. Jesus, or 4 a.m. I'm sorry, Turn. I mean, I might still be live at this time, and we can still do recaps. But I think if the stream goes 3 hours and I start at 8, I would be going to bed around 11, right? Because I'm also going to bed real late. Because at the time I finish the stream and then I do some other stuff. So it's around like 1 in the morning for me, maybe 2 in the morning. So I do gotta get some like better sleep time. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to shift about an hour earlier, man. Caleb, thank you for being here. You have not seen me for weeks. I know. Wonder, thank you for being here, man. Terrence crying. Dude, I'll still be live, though, right? I'll still be live at 11, or this time, 9, 10. Yeah, it's just gonna be an hour earlier. You can still be here. Just whatever you ask, I'll do a recap for. And, whenever the videos finish, you can just go back and watch Bitcoin or whatever we did first and in more depth or more detail. Wonder, dude, thank you very much. We do have a small format here for requesting. It's add the state of crypto and the asset, and then I'll just queue it up on the list, right? So if you do add the state of crypto, VT, I'll queue it up, right? By the way, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit them likes, because we're lacking on the likes, man. We're at 26 likes, 35 people watching, 37 people watching. Thank you for being here, being awesome supporters of this channel. Let's do the vault real quick. Let's see what it's doing, because it did pull back down after taking a nice pump. I mean, it finally moved. It's too sad it was short-lived. I wasn't even looking at it. And low to high, and low to high. There's nothing bearish for this move down. Low, sideways, lower, low, lower. There's nothing bullish either. Let's go to the 4-hour. It's sad that it's at 3.9 again, though. I really wish it was up here at 5, 6. Dude, it went to 6? Jeez, it went up quite a bit. What happened? You've been kind of away from markets. Just did not see many of it. Yeah, dude, channel went bye-bye. OMG, sure. Let's put it on the list. So I just got out of the coins here now. Quota link, Charizard, CKB, OMG. What's that? Anyways, low to high, low to high, low to high. We're neutral at 52.18. Let's go to the daily. High to low, and low to high. There is some hidden bearish divergence developing here. I'm not liking it. I really wish this wasn't here. It would really help the project out a little bit more. We're still sitting neutral at 47.75, but again, that hidden bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. Again, like I said, Wish it was doing a lot better, but it isn't. Come on, DBT, get your act together. Let's go back to our chart here, right? Sorry, guys. Need to move something here real quick. There we go. Wasn't OMG trading for sats back in 2000? I can't remember. It might have. Right, so Tezos up next. What is happening with Tezos, man? Have we looked at Tezos? When did we look at Tezos last? I think it was a couple days ago. All right, on hidden bullish divergence, action upside. We're pumping high, higher high, positive, more positive, high to low. All right, there's some bearish divergence strong here against the RSI. That's about it, though. That's a move. Overbought is not overbought. It just bought at 69.17 again. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. Whatever we're considering this to be our high, again, I'm not going to call this the all-time high yet because I'm not sure if this chart goes to inception of Tezos, but you know, it looks as though we're making all-time highs, at least on this chart. And again, bearish divergence. We're just bought. This is still not pointing down, right? It's still pointing up quite a bit, I guess. So there's no indicator that, you know, the price might go down. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what we have there. Karen, gonna hit the bed. Nice to see you again later. Oh, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Oh, you get some good rest there, man. Carthigo, Thron's also breaking out. Yeah, I think a lot of things are breaking out. Jeff Loomis, hey, bro, what's up? Low to high, low to high, low to high. Overbought at 78.77. Let's go to the 1 hour. I'm noticing some bearish divergence on a couple of accounts here, so potential fraction of downside, unfortunately, for Tezos. Again, high to low from one island to the next, right? Definitely. Let's make this larger so I can anchor it a little bit better. There we go. And then here on this last bit, right, from here to here, low to high. Positive was positive, high to low, right? So strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. With that, we could be looking for some action downside here on Tezos, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Again, there's bearish divergence on the daily and the 1 hour. The 4 hour is still clear with possibility for action to downside. I think we said the 4 hours clear. Yeah, that was clear. Let's see if Tezos can keep on pumping, right? Oh, Garcia, what should you put 1K in? I'm not sure. You put it whatever you want, I guess. I can't give you advice as to where you can put your money, though. I mean, you know that, right? I never looked at MDX, dude. There's so many projects out there. If you guys don't request them, I don't look at them. I mean, I don't know all of the projects that exist in this world. Every day, a new different project is, you know, comes into existence. Let's go to XLM, dude. VT, sure. Let's put on the list. Right on. Thank you, man. Right, let's move on, man. Acura, hi, I'm from Spain. Saludos. España. Let's go to XLM. XLM at 62.16 cents. Not bad. High to low, and high to low. Neutral at 60.90. I'm not seeing anything here in XLM that is bearish. We are hitting resistance at 65.18, which again, we knew we could face as resistance because I think we discussed that yesterday. So let's move on and onto the 4-hour, man. Last thing we had for stellar was this bullish divergence, hidden action, the upside pumping, low to high, positive, more positive, and high to a higher high. Everything here is good. So maybe on the 1 hour, I would be, guessing that on the 1 hour on this move, we're gonna be trading some bearish divergence. That's what I would be going with, because that move has to come with something. All right. How do I see it now? Let me go back to ADA in a bit. Right. I already did ADA. I'll recap it. So if you give me a couple minutes, I will go back to it. We are bought 63.51. Let's go to the 1 hour chart here and finish stellar, and then we'll recap some coins, I guess. So this is what I sent over, right? And this is what I wanted to see here. Anchor like that, and look at that. Look at that. I told you, right? There has to be something on the 1 hour. There is that bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. So this is the reason that we're moving down. Yeah, because of the bearish divergence. So moving down on that. Low to high, negative, less negative, low, lower, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower. Still neutral, 48.13. There's nothing bullish right now in XLM. At least not here on the 1 hour chart. This double bottom that we had, beautiful play to the upside. Again, very, very nice move. That is about it, though, right? That is about it. There's no other pattern being formed. Again, not all I can see here, man. It's doing okay. Let's go to the daily and move on to ADA again. Sorry, guys. I just had a lot of chicken and I'm feeling like, making me feel tired, I guess. Those ADA. I think that's a problem that I'm having and why I've been yawning on the stream so much. I usually have been having dinner prior to the stream starting, so I guess I'm, digesting the food and getting tired from that, maybe. Low to high, high to low, bearish divergence, action downside, sitting at 1.58. Looks as if it wants to bounce, but look at this. We're overextended, right? We're outside of the Bollinger Bands. Dips, yes, it's on the list, man. I'll get to it when, the list. There's a list of scrolls there in the corner. You're going to see that, after XLM, it's Cody, Link, Char, Chromium, and CKB, OMG, and the last one is V. This is there. I'll just have to get to it, right? Did you miss Bitcoin? Yeah, you missed Bitcoin. DLI was acting up. All right, I can recap it in a bit. Young Key, never been here. It already closed hour, so I need to go back to it. Anyways, again, there's strong bearish divergence here. We're clear of divergence, but we're overbought. Now we're seeing bought at 64.86, which is fine. There's nothing bullish happening. Just really waiting for something to develop here on the 4 hour. And then the 1 hour, we had this bearish divergence. We created this hidden bullish. We pumped a little bit more prior to the hour closing. Let's see, what is this? 53.71, 51. All right, so we're still slightly lower. We still have that hidden bullish divergence. And what's going to happen now is we're probably going to try to rally, maybe go for that 20 moving average. That 20 moving average sitting here at $1.61. And if we reject, we could be maybe going lower on price. But if we get above this area, then yeah, we could be probably aiming for another bounce above that 20 and maybe try to make a higher high than this high. Remember, we have this strong bearish divergence that usually trumps whatever hidden bullish divergence we have. Now, if we would have made some strong bullish divergence, it would have been a lot better. But it is what we have. We have to go along with that. That's it for ADA recap. Let's go to Bitcoin recap. What is this? Bitcoin. 55,958 again. Getting that small bounce. I was really hoping that we're going to create that divergence. We didn't. It would have been amazing if we had that divergence. There's nothing happening here on the daily. On the 4 hour, I think we're also clear. Hidden the bearish, moving us down low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. And on the 1 hour chart here again, if we would have gotten that slight move down, right? Low, slightly low, or even sideways. We're going negative, less negative, and low to high on the other side with that bullish divergence strong, and then really be aiming to get or medium or strong bullish divergence, depending on where we would have gone, right? Slightly lower or at the same price, medium, slightly lower, strong bullish divergence, and then we could have really been aiming for that 20. Right now, we might still get consolidation though. It looks like Bitcoin does not want to drop below 55,406 for the time being. Let's hope that is the case. Let's see what else is happening. Let's check Cody. Cutty cheese, what is it doing, man? Bearish divergence, action downside, this hidden bearish, low to high, negative, positive, low to high. There's nothing bullish on the daily. Neutral at 47.59. Again, below that 236, but above the 20 moving average. And what's going to happen, or could happen, is we could start to get squeezed between that area, right, that 20 and the 1 hour until we explode. Sorry, that 20 and the 236 until we explode, right? I mean, Jeff, it really needs to make sense. For me, this is borderlining it, right? But it is the previous low and the new low that you're making, so it makes sense. Now, if you're like zooming out like this and go, oh, well, from way back here to there, I mean, it's too long of a period, right? So it needs to kind of make sense. I wouldn't say there's a rule of thumb, but it needs to make sense. If you think you're considering way too many periods within that divergence and your chart's looking like this, just so you can call for divergence, you're probably, way zoomed out, less of a chance of it playing out. And there might even be some other stuff shorter term that you could be going on with. Anyways, Cody, we had the hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. We did try to rally, hitting that 20, rejecting. We know that move usually gets us to the 20. Again, we've just been following along the 20, breaking below 236, which, again, it's fine. And we are neutral. No, sorry. Sold. 39.34. Let's go here on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, no worries, man. Thanks. That's what I'm here for, right? On the 1 hour chart, are we doing some bullish divergence strong? It looks like we might be. So the last thing we had here yesterday, right, bearish divergence direction down. So we didn't create anything bullish. So we just kept on dropping. And it's easy as that, right? Yesterday we already knew we had bearish divergence. Low, lower low. And then nothing was created. Meanwhile, that would, get rid of that and make it do something different. So I think I might have anchored way too far back. I think I need to anchor here. I'm assuming here. Yeah, it's from here to here, the move. I'm going to fix it in a second. There we go. We are sold at 37.59. Again, strong bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside. It's just against the MACD. That move could get us to at least try to retest these 236, that 20 moving average. Maybe if we keep on moving higher. If we keep on dropping, we're going to get rid of this divergence. And then we could still see a little bit more damage, right? A little bit more pain coming in. I mean, here, it's another example when it becomes borderline, right? Like we're going low to high and high to low, right? For that hidden bullish divergence. Not the best looking, but it is what we have, right? And that is there. Let's see how this hour is going to close. We'll come back to it. I mean, we can come back to it later on and check it out. If you guys want to see what happened, just request it after an hour. Let's go link. Someone said link. Link. The linkness. What is happening with the linkiness? So if Bitcoin was a famous person, who would Bitcoin be? Who do you guys think Bitcoin would be? Well, I do link. Type it out in the chat. I want to know who you guys think Lincoln. I'm doing link. I really want to know if you guys can guess who Bitcoin would be if Bitcoin were to be a person. Anyways, bearish divergence we're looking for. Action to downside. It's still here. Right, look, if I zoom in, high to low, right? That is slightly lower than that high, so it's all good. Bearish divergence moving down. It's also here, right? AD says, what's up? What's up, dude? I thought I already said hi. So I'm not sure who you said what's up to, but thank you for that. Alright, I want to go through the answer in a second. Neutral, sorry, bought 66.27. Well, let's go to the 4 hour chart. Bearish divergence, action downside. We're moving sideways, down a little bit. we finally hit that 20 moving average and we bounced, but we have not really taken off with strength. And we are creating some hidden bullish divergence, right? So that could help us try to get some bounce happening here. Maybe some potential action to the upside. That's it. Neutral at 58.39. Shutting off the, fan. I think the sound, it does come through in the stream, dude. Neutral at 58.47. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I wish it didn't pick it up. It is going to pick it up when I'm talking. And I mean, right now it's not, or I think I'm already cooling off. So low, lower low, negative, less negative. All right, it looks like we might have some strong bullish divergence here that try to rally. We're really not getting a lot of action here, right? Again, it's just flatlining. Yeah, it is there, right? So I'm looking at this move here. And this move here, right? There it is. That is right. Royal Gamers, what is up, man? You just joined. Thanks for being here. Congrats on joining.
What's up?
We're neutral at 51.45. Again, trying to get above that 20, which is fine. Nothing else that is bullish. Just moving sideways. We had strong bullish divergence. Snap. Sorry, guys. We had that strong bullish divergence. We're trying to get that action to the upside, but we are really, really failing to get above that level. Where's my thing here? Redline Venom says, ADA's dipping. You got to go pick up the slack. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure if I want to pick up that slack. Let's try something here. There we go. Anyways, Link. We're not getting that strong move to the upside, right? We're struggling to move higher. Again, there's nothing bearish. Neutral 50.74. That being said, so for Link, someone said that, ADA's dumping. So Redline Venom, we're gonna go check it out. And I'm gonna read your answers. So if Bitcoin was a famous person, who would Bitcoin be, right? Oh my God, sell ADA, get out of it. It's crashing. It's still good. Someone said that that Bitcoin would be Vladimir Putin or Betty White. Bitcoin's Woody Allen. That's crazy, man. Those were the best guesses I think we got for who would Bitcoin be if Bitcoin was a person. Right, let's get to Chromium. There we go, CHR. It's doing good, man. We had that bearish divergence for actually downside again. That's fine. We're still dropping. We're still above that 20 moving average. We're neutral at 49.76. You might see, dude, it's going down. What do you mean it's good? I'll show you in a second. We're doing the retrace that, I talked about. We could go 20, like 50% down. The lower we go, the more action to the upside we can get. So our target just shifted again. There we go, right? Now that's our new target. At 52 cents on a potential bounce and breaking that confirmation line at 45.43 cents, right? That'll be the first target. Next target, we'll put around 63.73 cents, right? Lower low, negative, less negative. Now we have some strong bullish divergence here for action to the upside. Again, we have hidden bullish here. It's kind of helping us go down slowly. All right, and now you can tell that we aren't definitely getting rid of this, right? To some extent. Let's go here in auto. This strong bullish divergence might really help us to start popping. And then we'll just anchor this to wherever it is and, you know, just measure. But it's looking okay right now. That's it here again. Sold at 38.20. So we're sold. We have bullish divergence. It could mean action to the upside, right? What? Carthago just went deep conspiracy theorists on us. What? That's crazy, Carthago. Anyways, Chromium, strong bullish divergence. Let's go here in the 1 hour. Bearish divergence, we moved down on that. Guess what we did? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing here. Here, short term, strong bullish also. Not there, here. Let's re-anchor. There we go. Strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, man. Jake or Soga here? I'm not sure, man. Soga's, I'm not sure. Jake was here earlier. I'm not sure what Jake's doing. We're sold at 36.22, man. Again, not too bad. We should be starting to look for some action to the upside. Jake's on Twitch, I think. BCD, sure. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, man. Let's go. That's Chromium, right? Let's move on to CKB, man. What's happening with the CKB? Let's get here on the daily. High to low, and high to low. Neutral at 47.41. The hidden divergence that we had here would have tracked onto there. That means that, you know, it's not here, but that move would have been here like that. For some reason I lost it, and it's fine. We'll just redraw that. I mean, we do have the line here, so we're just missing the counters here on the bottom right. So neutral at 47.32. Let's go to again, bullish divergence hidden action to the upside. There's nothing bearish right now. Neutral at 47.29, bouncing and rejecting that 382, right? And now we're trying to bounce and find support at that 50, and we're just stagnating here. We're below a 20 moving average, which is not super bad, so let's keep on moving. Let's go here on the 4-hour chart. Created some bearish divergence for that move down, which again, interesting. Where we do have looked at this coin back then, we would have noticed this and would have been, oh, look at that, we're gonna go down, but we didn't. So now we're like, oh, what happened? Please tell me what happened. And I would say something like that. Low, lower, negative, or negative, and low, lower still. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high, high to low, high to low. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish after that. So maybe the 1 hour might have some bullish divergence here that we were trying to hold on to, but we'll see. There you go, right? Look, low, lower, low. Negative momentum, less negative momentum, and low to high on their side as well, right? It is just barely there, man. And here also, look at that. There we go. Low to high, low to high, low to high. High to low, positive, high to low. Dude, why? Why, dude? Are we going down here? There's nothing bearish. We just stagnated. Not seeing anything here, man. Stagnation. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower still. So there's nothing bullish here. We just took a bounce, hit that 20, rejecting. We might try to go lower now, maybe even here at that 618 at 2.38 cents. Right now, it's at 2.41 cents. And then we go low, lower, low, negative, less negative, and then a low to high. I mean, I'll just leave the lines in case we. I think that's a play that this might make. for that strong bullish divergence and potential action to the upside. We're sold at 39.82. That's for CKB, man. There's a mosquito flying around here trying to bite me. Go away, mosquito. Oh, Carthago just went rogue on us. He's like, he went deep. Let's go to OMG. Let's go to OMG and see what's happening there, man. What's happening with the OMG, man? What's happening? Oh, me say go. So this on the daily, low to high, and high to low. Great. I haven't looked at Omizigo in a while, so gonna figure it out together. I have another Omizigo chart here. Is this the one we looked at? No. So this must be the one we looked at. We are just overbought at 21.74. Again, strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. The last thing we had was hidden bullish. That would have gone from here to here. And from here to here. And here to here also, right? So again, have it against the MACD and the RSI, so we pumped on that. That was fine. Got a very nice pump happening, and again, strong bearish divergence right now. For action to downside, we're getting some stagnation. I'm going to re-anchor this because, you know, whatever we had here, it's no longer there. So let's go here and check this out, right? From there to there, man. Oh, we're hitting that 1618 spot on and rejecting. Wow, interesting. So we open almost there and then just try to pull higher, and then that bearish divergence probably putting some of that pressure and bring it down. Again, a super bullish move, right? Pumping 32.67% yesterday. Let's go to the 1 hour. Caleb White. All right. I think people might be behind the stream. If you're not, by the time you get to this part of the stream, if you go to your YouTube video, you're gonna have this little thing that says live. Just make sure it's red, because I think there's people that are running way behind in the stream. So I'm just gonna type this out in case you're not. You might see the chat. Because that was told a while back, so. All right, so good. MXD to tether. Okay. Sure, it's there, man. Omisa Go. Sounds like Teen Titan Go, right? I mean, this project's named like a cartoon. Omisa Go. Teen Titans Go. Whatever. Low to high, low to high, and low to high. There's nothing bearish here. Nice. We're bought at 75.23. Let's go to the 1 hour. Low to high, low to high, and low to high. All right. Short term here, there might be some bearish divergence. I'm banking on the bearish divergence here. It's from here to here. It's just very small. All right, and we're just struggling to really get above that 1618. You can tell that we've hit it quite a few times. It lets us know that we have good fibs, right? That our fibs are valid. And we're finding resistance where we're supposed to find that resistance. Right now we have that strong bearish divergence. Probably part of the reason that we're trying to reject. We are bought at 67.27. That is it for Omisa Go. Again, potential action downside and a movement down. We might go for that 20 at 11.12. If For break there, previous 100% retrace here at $10.46. Getting above that 1618. Targets at 2618, and that will be at $17.59. That's it for me, Miguel. Let's go to VET. VET, man. VeChain. Is it doing things or is it not doing things today? On the daily, it's getting some weird pullback. Let's adjust. Yeah, it's getting some weird pullback. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Neutral, bought at 60.81. Cake, sure. That's it. Cake is the last one. Cake completes the cycle for the coins that we can check out for today. There we go. Anyways, high to low, and high to low. Neutral at, bought at 60.97. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Low to high. Low to high, and high to low. All right, there's some bearish divergence, but it's barely there, man. It's barely there. Barely there. I said bear. It is bearish. Oh no. What are we gonna do? Again, it's bearish. We are bought at 64.35. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low to high, and low to high. So nothing bearish here. We had this bearishness here. We did go down, hit that 20, try to bounce. Here, I mean, it would be the same move. Basically, we'll be just going from there to there. Just be going from there to there, and then from the high point to the low point of the new island. Strong bearish divergence, action downside. We can even say we have it here short term. With that bearish divergence, it moved us down again below that 20. Struggled to maintain it, but once we got above it and used it as support, look at that beautiful pump. Although right now it's going down a bit. Still not looking super bad. We don't have anything. We did create some hidden bullish. Oh, would you check that out? 1 quick second, guys. The coffee's arrived. Oh, dude, that's good. That chicken really made me tired, man, for some reason. It made me feel like sleepy. Made me feel like I was sleepy, man. Brent, the Doge has awakened. Yeah, it's still on track to, what do we call 78 cents? Still waiting for it to go there. We'll see. Let's go to BCD, man. BCD. I don't think we've ever looked at that one. Sounds like, part of the alphabet. BCD. We're missing the A. I think it might have come with our requests. BCD to Tether on Binance. I think those are requests. So let's go there. Yeah. Don't invest in invest, but be smart when you invest. Low to high, and high to low. There's some bearish divergence developing here on Bitcoin Diamond. All right, this is what this is. Bitcoin Diamond. What the Bitcoin Diamond are you doing? Remember, bought it to 9.63 again. Some strong bearish divergence fraction downside against the RSI, not against the MACD. Hidden bullish, just like the other projects, right? Ooh, look at that. It's hitting $5.91. It is a Bitcoin Diamond. I think that's what it was hot to name your project Bitcoin something, right? And we saw Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Glass, Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Platinum. You know, everyone was Bitcoin something. They just wanted to confuse people and make them go into their project instead of the actual Bitcoin. Or at least that's how it feels, right? That they were trying to like get people to join a weird project. Any recommendation for now? Easy Gaming's. I'm not sure yet. We haven't finished looking at the coins requests. I mean, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go fibs from here to here, high to low, just get some quick targets. That's about it. See where we're at. Rejecting at 2618, that's fine. We did wick the 4618 at $9.66. Let's go to the 4 hour. Peppy coin. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's weird. Ivan, how you doing? Thanks for being here, guys. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links are going out. And that's awesome. What are we doing, man? What are we doing, man? No one knows what she's doing back there, man. Anyways, we are neutral. 77 point, sorry, where we're bought, 78.26. There's really nothing bearish here. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low to high, high to low, high to low, and high to low. Nothing bearish. That's it, dude. I mean, it wouldn't matter if we had hidden bullish back here because we did. Probably not. It's already pumped, right? We also have it here against the other side. Look, low, lower, low, low to high. Negative, more negative. Again, is right now we're just getting consolidation happening, right? We're even pull stop. It looks like we're flagging. A hype train is coming. Are you sure? I'm not sure. Easy Gaming. It would be nice if we get a hype train. We haven't gotten a hype train in a while. That's BCD, man. So was it MXP? I don't think MXP is here. I think I even typed that one right. Maybe MXD, I'm not sure. And I might have mistyped it. Nope. All right, so whoever requested MXP or MXD, dude, I couldn't find it. Let's go to Cake, and then after that, since we can do MXP, we're gonna do AMP, and that's it. Yes, bye, Christian Kubosh. Thank you for being here. EOS is really high right now. I think you gotta wait for something to happen in EOS. I mean, there's two ways to look at it, right? Is it a good buy? It's a very big question. If it goes to $1 million, would it have been a good buy? Probably yes. If it crashes, would it have been a good buy? Probably not. The question is not, is it a good buy? I think you missed the buy on EOS. That's what Erdex said, and I believe that is the case. EOS already pumped. You gotta find out what hasn't pumped and invest in that, so you're there on time when it pumps. Now, if you want to catch spinning trains, you're more likely gonna get wrecked than make a profit. So just be careful with your trading, guys. Right? Let's do Cake. We can do recap EOS in a bit, right? So we just have Cake, another coin to go, and then we can recap EOS. What is happening with the Cake, man? Can we get some Cake? Cake to Binance dollar. Oh, we did hit that area here at that 3618. We're rejecting it. Nice. We're going down to that 20. Low to high, more positive and higher. Nothing bearish. Control 55.92. Low to high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish starting to develop here. Look at this, boom. Blam. We hit that 20 and we bounced. So we rejected lower prices. We might reject lower prices again. And this time with the hidden bullish divergence. And also slightly lower. So we're going to go with this also, right? From here to here. We're at 55.75. Let's go to the 4 hour. How do I feel about engine? I'm not sure, dude. People say it's good because, you know, it's whatever, backed by Japan, gaming platform. It's good, but, you know, I'm not sure. I think it's early. I haven't looked at it. No, I haven't looked at engine. So it might be good, right? It might be good for some gaming stuff. I wish we had like real NFTs for like proper games and none of that, like, you know, crypto kitties and dragons, whatever. I mean, it's the beginning, but most of those games are really annoying. I don't like those games. I really wish we had like a pro version of, like, you know, World of Warcraft, where like you actually buy your armor or you can get like the gear from the raids, and, you know, just those be like real NFTs. That would be awesome, and then you can sell them for reals in the auction house. That would be amazing. I don't think we're anywhere near that point of having a game that developed, because most of the games that we see for, you know, NFTs are like weird drawings. I think the newest one, I think it's Pokemon or whatever, and yeah, I think Polka Dragon Pokemon, I can't remember. And that one looks okay on the graphics, but this really does nothing, dude. It's just a freaking dragon sitting there moving its head. And that's it. Why are we not getting good games for NFTs, man? For, like, you know, where we can trade NFTs. I guess it's gonna happen to like the actual gaming companies jump into this. Although it was scary. I have Pokemon. Mine suck, I know. Crash Bandicoot Mario, yeah. We're solid 35.7%. Get like NFTs need to. I mean, I get the power that they have, but they're like some major platform needs to pick them up for them to be good. They're just corny. Yeah, I know. They're just like not good games. I mean, it has to start with something, right? Like the gaming world right now wouldn't be there if you were not able to play, you know, some kind of tic-tac-toe on, you know, an old machine where you only just flip switches, right? People started with games into old computers, so like, you know, you have to go through Intellivision, you had to go through Atari, you had to go through Nintendo, and you had to go through Super Nintendo, Nintendo 64, PlayStation by that time, even Sega, Dreamcast probably. Then you had your Xboxes, and then your next gen stuff, and then you have, you know, your PlayStation 5s right now. But all that progress through gaming has to start with, like, you know, crappy graphics and 8-bit. We're looking at, I can't remember if you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but y'all remember the old games that you were able to play on Facebook? I think it was on Facebook or on your cell phones, and you know, it was like you had to have your social media people, and they were all like, go do this mission, and all it was like just random select buttons. And it's like, oh, go do this, or go do this, and you had like 3 options of what you could do. And then, like, you know, you would get earn money and experience and progress through your missions, right? Like, those old, like, cell phone games are nowhere near what we have now. And that's just happened in a span of, you know, a little bit over 10 years also. You could say that, you know, games on the phone started to evolve as soon as we got the iPhone, I guess. And since the iPhone till now, you can see how the progression of the games has been for cell phone, particularly because cell phones have gotten more robust. Now, I think that could be much quicker for NFTs. It just needs a big company to go back them. And imagine being able to play FIFA or any kind of sports game, NFL, whatever, where you're given a limited amount of money for NFTs. And then you buy your players, right? You buy it like for like a fantasy football, and actually play. And the more you gain, you know, the more tokens you can earn, and then the better stuff you can buy for your team, right? Like a better upgrade, uniforms, whatever. That could be kind of cool if that ever launches, right? Thoughts on VeChain? I think it's okay. We looked at it, so let me go back to it in a recap. Again, I'm just ranting on NFTs. Like the quarter gum machine. Yeah. Kamikaze. Saludos, Argentina. My Spanish is very good. Mi español es muy bueno, entonces no hay problema. Lower. That's it. That's it for cake, man. We just did cake here on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. So finished cake. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative, strong bullish divergence, right? First thing that I noticed as soon as I walked into this chart is this strong bullish divergence. Look at me in the face and say, yo, I want to go up. And I'm like, oh, he wants to go up. Están de like a cake. I gotta zoom out for that, man. Necesito hacer zoom out. The false flags is here. Yo. The flags. What's up, Mr. Flags?
What's up?
Nick here. I'm not sure what Nick. Kamikaze, thank you very much for the follow.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you very much.
Let's roll. Thoughts on Polygon? We haven't looked at Polygon. I don't think I've ever looked at Polygon. Dude, Kamikaze. Christian Kubosh. There's so many projects out there, dude. I don't know all of them. I don't keep up with all of them. I just keep up with the ones that I'm invested in. Bitcoin Fight Club, what is up? Thanks for being here, man.
What's up?
So cake, again, bullish divergence, potential fraction upside. That's what we care about. We need to break this line here that I'm going to draw, which I think it might be your resistance line. Let me draw it. Here we go. Right, more or less like that, I think. We could say that this line is acting as resistance. That's our trend line resistance. We also have the 20 moving average acting as resistance. We need to get above that if we want to get that action to go to the upside, right? That being said, Doom Wabbit, thank you very much for the follow.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Let's go to AMP. Polygon is Matic. Is it? Maybe, I'm not sure. I probably looked at Matic. I don't hold Matic. MDX. Oh, that was it. Caleb. Sorry, man. I wrote MXD, so I'll do MDX. That was my bad. MDX, I'll do it right after AMP, man. And someone said Matic. I'm not sure. I don't think we looked at Matic today. All right, I'm going to write it. I'm not going to do it in detail. I'll just tell you what I think about it. That's it. I didn't know Polygon was Matic. See, that's why Carl coins weird stuff like, Chromium. I just call it Charizard. Otherwise, I don't remember them. That's how I linked them, basically. It's all good, man. Sorry about that, man. Sorry about that, Caleb, dude. I wrote it wrong. I even said, yo, whoever requested this, I think I might have got written down wrong. I'll check it out in a second, right? You said MDX. So let's go do AMP and then let's do MDX, right? Oh, someone said how low can cake drop? Right now I'm seeing the first drop at least will be to $33.30. And look, we could even have support here at $34.45. Right about there. So there's two supports. I think we actually wicked that on the low. What was the low? 34.26. So very close to that 34.45. And trying to find support there. So again, we do have some support areas before we break. If we break that 20 moving average, yeah, we could be in pain for cake. Let's go to AMP. AMP. Oh, you're right. CHC is cheese. CHR is Charizard. Yeah, and Chili's is cheese. See, that's how I remember them. AMP. Where's AMP? I just get. Otherwise, I get sidetracked, dude. For real, it's like so many projects out there that I gotta find a way to remember them. So it's like a mnemonics game, I guess. What does it sound like? Reaching to the moon. We'll see. We'll see. Brand has a poop load of the stuff. Interesting. Well, on the daily, it has some strong bearish divergence for action downside. It is still doing really good, though. It's gone extremely bullish. I can't remember when we last looked at this. I don't have anything in this chart. We might have cleared it. I'm not sure. Like, we might have something in the shorter time scales. maybe. We have some fibs, I just don't have any lines. Where are my lines? Anyways, here we go. We are overbought at 70.90 again. A strong bearish divergence, we might move down and move down. Could get us to go to that 20 moving average at 5.62 cents. Right now, sitting at 7.5 cents. It would be quite a drop, right? It would be about a 33% drop if it goes there. Really wish that's not the case. We're gonna have to readjust this fibs from wherever they're from. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're looking for some bearish divergence here for action downside. We ended up getting even here, right? Slightly higher and then coming lower. So that bearish divergence, and then on this, we try to pump more, and then we're definitely dropping more here. So a lot of bearish divergence building here for this project before it actually crashed a bit. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna draw it so we know kind of like what happened. Although I know it's in the past, and I usually don't like to draw way too far back because, you know, who cares about what happened back in, you know, April, mid-April. We all care about what's happening right now, right? So look at this strong bearish divergence. It just kept on building. And here we're still going from high to low, right? Even here, high to low and low still, right? So action to downside, we did move down. Right, so that aside, let's see what's going on now. Low to high, more positive and higher still. Overbought at 83.36. There's nothing bearish. And the only thing that worries me is that we're highly overbought. But again, it is extremely bullish how AMP is behaving. It might even play out. Look at this. We're so far away from that 20 moving average. It's sitting at 6 cents. We're sitting at 6.1 cents. We're sitting at 7.4 cents. So we're 1.3 cents higher. AMP equals the horn of hype. There we go. And look at that, I forgot the anchor on the daily. On the daily, sir. There we go. Sorry, something's stuck in my throat. Right, let's zoom in here for the pain moment. Hey, low to high. Low to high and low to high. There's nothing bearish. Nothing bearish here, man. I can't believe it. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. There's nothing bearish. We did have some bullish divergence back here, by the way. We did go slightly lower. Didn't we go slightly lower, Mr. Flags? Is Mr. Flags still here? Paging Mr. Flags. Can't still live, it's not butter. And we're still going higher and higher and higher. So there's nothing bearish. You could technically keep on running. It's not even that high on that overbought scale. It's at 79.47. If it tries to go higher, it might start to create some divergence, and then we might break down, right? I know you've been talking about this coin forever, man. I still haven't bought any. Thank you, Brent, for bringing this project up. I just haven't bought any AMP. I should have bought AMP, and I should have listened to you, and I probably should have gone into AMP back on, when did you start talking about this stuff? Like this January, maybe February? I can't remember when you talked about this. But you've been talking about this for a long time, dude. You're probably talking about this since, 0.05 cents. It's good. Let's go on MDX. Oh, there it is, MDX. See, I was looking for... All right, so the only one there is in Huobi. You said Binance. There's not there, so we'll just go with this one. Oh my goodness, what's happening here? Low, lower, negative, less negative, low to... I'm gonna have to zoom in here. I'm gonna have to measure because it's very 33.40, 33.31, slightly more negative. Right on. So low, lower low. Dark Rich Way. The list's already closed, man. Sorry about that, man. I can look at it. I'm not gonna do analysis on it, right? I'll just go through it real quick. Again, that strong bullish divergence for potential actually upside. We did try to get above that 20. We're failing, and we are struggling with that 20 moving average. Neutral at 44.40. So you get $3.01. I never heard about this project before. MDEX. I might do it. I'm not sure, dude. It's just gonna depend on how I am by the time I get to that project. I still got MDX, Matic, and then Dragon to look at. Someone said Matic, and I said the same thing. I'm not even sure I'm gonna look at Matic in full detail. Right? If you haven't done it yet, you should join us on YouTube. We're trying to grow our YouTube community. So go to YouTube, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, and be happy with us.
Challenge accepted.
Go do it. Go hit them likes on YouTube. The algorithm's gonna love you for it. Bob the Law Poker. What's my views on Ethereum Classic and EOS? I would say I like EOS more than Ethereum Classic, although Ethereum Classic is doing beautiful on the pumps. But I think EOS should be a more solid project long term. Someone was saying yesterday that Ethereum Classic was going to be more profitable for mining, which might draw some hash power over there. We'll see. Right, we'll see how that's going to play out. I think EOS should be the better play long term. Yeah, we'll see what's going to happen when Ethereum goes on to proof of stake, right? And we'll maybe Ethereum Classic might pick up a little bit more, right? On Ethereum going to proof of stake, we'll see. I mean, Ethereum Classic, it's still okay, but I think I think EOS is better, and Ethereum is definitely much better than Ethereum Classic. So yeah. Andrew, your PC's dying? Oh, well, it sucks. Not posting in primary and backup BIOS. Ooh. We shall hold a minute of silence for your PC. And the minute's gone. We're neutral at 43.48. That's it here, dude. That is it here. Hidden Bullish is trying to rally. If we were to draw some fibs, hello, right here, just see where we're at. We didn't make a valid retrace. We hit that 382. Now we're rejecting. We're trying to go off that previous closing level, right, or where we opened at that zero line. Let's see what's going to happen. If we drop lower, we just have to adjust the fibs. We are neutral. Let's go with 1 hour. Let's do 1 hour chart. You can see all the reaction that happened here. Lower. Strong bullish divergence before we got that magical pump here happening of 3.31%. It looks massive, but it isn't. It's just 3%. Hell, a lot of people don't make 3% a day, right? If you're making 3% a day, that's fine, I guess. Particularly if you start making cumulative. Yeah. Cumulative. Let's keep rolling, man. Control 48.38. Andrew, dude, I already ran out of list space. I'll just write it. I'm not sure if I want to go in depth on it. Let's go to Matic. By the way, I did your EOS to the dollar at first, so I can recap that also. Let's put this one in for recap, and we have VT for recap. We got EOS to recap. We got Bitcoin to recap. We got Ethereum to recap. Oh, let's go to Matic. Like I said, dude, I'm gonna just look at it real quick and not draw lines, but just see what's happening and then tell you what I see. Matic at 75.94 on the daily. Oh, you saw that one? Awesome, dude. Thanks for being here. Neutral at we're bought at 61.03. Again, Matic is not really doing a lot. It's flagging up here, which is fine. I'm gonna start getting rid of some of this fibs. We already overextended them, so there's really no point in having them anymore. They don't do us any good. All they do is just clutter the charts. So we don't have any fibs right now for Matic. Bought at 61.04. Again, flagging, not too bad. If we drop it, we have that 20 moving average at 60.74 cents to look forward to as support. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, again, we're getting that same flag, high to low, and low, lower, negative, less negative. We did create some strong bullish divergence here. it just didn't go up with a lot of strength, right? It just kind of stagnated after getting above that 20. We didn't get that bounce. It's like, oh, we're too weak. And I'm not seeing anything bearish here, by the way, right? So maybe the 1 hour might have something bearish that is putting that pressure on the price and making it down a bit. Neutral at 47.06. That is it. Again, there's nothing bearish. Just that strong bullish that fell to play. Let's go to 1 hour. What about ADA? Oh, yeah, I can recap ADA. Thanks for asking. Caleb, you're welcome. And here there's bearish divergence, right? Like I told you, there might be something here that is bearish. It is here, man. And it's putting that pressure for the price to go down. Hear ye, the price is going down. Do we have it here? I also have it here against the RSI. Strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. Going down. Lower low. Are we doing here anything? No, negative, more negative. Nothing there. Low, lower. Nothing here that is bullish. Let's see from the previous island. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Neutral at 46.09. Again, we did have some bullish divergence to play off on the 4 hour chart, which could be where we're stagnating right now. We did create strong bearish divergence. It's moving us down, but again, just stagnating right now. Not a lot happening with Matic. It's okay. You know. We don't have anything bullish right now here on the 1 hour. We're below the 20. We could still move a little bit down. That's dramatic. Let's go to Dragon. Durgan coin. Dragon. Brent, I'm not sure. Have you checked KuCoin? That might have it. I'm not sure. Seems that you can buy anything on KuCoin. KuCoin's like the Walmart of crypto, I guess. High to low. High to low and high to low. There's nothing bearish. Neutral at 50.94. Low to high, negative, more negative. Again, that hidden bullish divergence that we've seen across the market, it's also here. And it's fine. I mean, it's just hidden bullish. We just seen it all over the place, though, right? It's not like special. Like it is the only thing that has it, and you know, everyone had it, and everyone's behaved more or less the same. Everyone bounced. Yeah, I said I was not gonna draw lines for Dragon, but you know, I forgot about that. We're neutral at 50.96, so I guess we're gonna have draw lines for Shiv also. I mean, there's no, like, I'm not that tired. I was just trying to cap the stream at 20 coins. There's 11, and there's still stuff I gotta look at, so no more coins after Shiv. Bearish divergence, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, still nothing bullish here. Trying to bounce a bit and failing, nothing bearish afterwards. Neutral at 48.43. Not really seeing any kind of anything else happening here. You know, just some down sloping consolidation. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Ooh, KuCoin. Oh, they banned you, man. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Right, here's the bullish divergence that we couldn't find on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour. So let's do this. After this, we'll do Shiv, and then we'll just start recapping stuff and you know, go through some markets. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Neutral at 49.19. Not too bad, right?
Couple of bucks for the extra lines.
Derek, thank you very much for that. I appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much. Man, what are we doing here? We're just consolidating. We're not really doing a lot, and it doesn't look to be defined. I'm trying to see if we have something else, man. Zooming in, low, lower, negative. All right, there was some bullish divergence here also. When I zoomed in, I saw that. Like that 299 Australian really made my eyes open. I guess, like, what's happening here? Am I missing something? I'm kidding. Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, but we're failing to go higher, man. Again, let's zoom in here. High to low, sideways, and low to high. So, I mean, it's really not. It's not super defined here. What I'm gonna do is just to show you what I'm seeing. High to low. and low to high here, right? So hidden bearish, putting some pressure on that price, but I'm not liking it for hidden bearish. But it is what we have. We're breaking below at 20, and then, you know, we did gap down trying to recover, but we're still below at 20. If we reject, we could be looking for more action to the downside. Maybe another drop happening, and then we go low, lower, low, negative, less negative, and then low to high on the other side, create that strong bullish divergence across dragon. And, you know, I try to rally of that, right? I mean, going slightly lower here, and then, you know, negative to less negative. And then from here to here, maybe something like that. It could work, potentially. But I'm not really seeing it as a very, very strong move right now. I mean, it might explode. So it's just consolidating. So it could just be accumulating at this level. It just doesn't look really, really strong, right? Pretty on the daily. Look at it in the daily, right? It's just went down. Yeah, it popped to the upside. It failed to get higher than the previous high, and thus we crashed again. We're trying to hold on to a 20, but you know, it's really not. I'm not seeing anything here that would scream at me getting to this project, right? We could say potentially inverse head and shoulders. I mean, I'm trying to find something here, but like, I don't want to force data. It's over 5%. Some people might say, I mean, if you want to go with it, you could say that this is a head and shoulders. I don't like it when the one shoulder to the other one, it's more than a 5% difference, or actually more than 4% difference. And this is more than a 5% difference, by the way. You could argue inverse head and shoulders. You would throw your neckline and then see where it would take you. But for me, it starts to get into that point where they don't play as much. David, thank you very much for being here. Let's go Shiv. Who's taking a Shiva Inu coin? Nothing on the daily. Still struggling to get above that 236. Oh no. Let's go on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart. Hit bullish, try to pop, try to get above that 20, failing, dropping lower. Now we're making more strong bullish divergence. Or now we have strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Great. Again, Shiv, like I said, not looking super strong the other day. It's might start to look a little bit better with this bullish divergence. We don't have it against our side. Sold at 35.23 for potential action to the upside. We might go to that 20 and see where we go from there. But you know, 20 is the primary target now, and then above that, that 236. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I gotta extend this 1 hour somehow and make it stay more or less where it's supposed to stay. There we go. Right, so we were looking for this hidden bullish. We did pop on it yesterday. Hit that 20, rejected, and then move lower. Try to pop again. Hit that 20, rejected, right? On this last move, we're trying to create some strong bullish divergence against the MACD, dude. It's just failing miserably to get above the 20. Hopefully we'll get above the 20 with this, right? Hopefully we'll get above the 20 with this. And then you might be able to start seeing some pump happening. Some pumpage. Defections. Thank you very much for being here. Defectiones. Or whatever, man. Doge bouncing for 756 again. Awesome. Profit is number one. Stellar of TUSC. Maybe, I'm not sure. Let's roll. Let's do well, that's it for Shiv, Andrew. I mean, there's really not a lot happening with it. It might try to pop. I'm not sure if you're still here. I did do Shiv. Thank you, Andrew, for requesting it. People said Doge. I'm not gonna chart Doge. I just want to see where it's at. We did it yesterday. I did tell you my targets are around 78 cents. That's it for Doge. No. Unfortunately, no, Dirk. When there's hype, when people get together and decide to pump something, right? Like, you know, Wall Street bets. Or when you have a strong fundamentals, yeah, there's no way of telling. Doge, here we go. Yeah, it's trying to bounce. It's still holding above that 1618, which is fine. Oh snap, what did I do? Ooh, some exchange. Let's get back there. Let's go back to where we were. Again, the daily is looking fine. The 4 hour is starting to create some hidden bullish, right? Look low, high, negative, more negative, low, lower, low, neutral at 6.49. Hidden bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. It is pulling it back, right? It's flagging a little bit before it continues. We know there's Elon going on Saturday Night Live on Saturday. It could still bring speculation. It could try to pump up again on that, right? Doge Day part due tomorrow. Maybe. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Andrew. Right. Again, hidden bullish, try to pop, hit that 20, reject it. Moving lower. Guess what's happening here? I didn't want to draw lines, but I'm going to have to draw them. Otherwise, they're going to say, oh, you didn't say it, man. It wasn't drawn on the charts, man. It is drawn on the charts now. We have bullish divergence strong for action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, right? Neutral at 45.69. We could still pump and try to, like, you know, really go higher. We just haven't made positive momentum yet. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, the move is from here to here. And from here to here. From here to here, right? Maybe, man. I mean, it could be that it drops by Saturday. I'm not sure. I think people are going to be curious as to what he says when he's live. Or, you know, when it's the live show, it's there. Alright, so anyways, let's start recapping. Let's go to the corn. We just closed the hour and we haven't come back. Those will close a 4 hour chart, and there was something I wanted to look at. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral at 45.92, so there's nothing out of it going for. I just wanted to know that we were closing above that 55,406. I think we already wicked it. We did go to a low of 55,411. It's very close to wicking our support. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Do I have instructional videos on YouTube? No, dude, a lot of people have asked about that. I just have, like, I started recording some, I just haven't uploaded them because I didn't have the channel. And I gotta start putting those up, I guess. Brant, thank you for being here, man. As you walk out, there you go, the horn. Sold at 37.60. Again, strong bullish divergence that we're starting to develop. Remember what we said that on Bitcoin? If we drop lower, we're going to have strong bullish divergence. Try to pump on that. Yeah, well, we're creating it. Let's see if we can manage to get a rally, right? We did manage to close slightly lower here, which is good also, right? Look at this. Lower. Even to here, we have that bullish divergence strong. So, the bullish divergence is strong with this one. Let's see if we can pump. This is for the corn. Let's go to EOS. Let's go to Ethereum first because it's right here. ETH. Low, lower. Nope. Any takers? That divergence that we're looking for is no longer there. We lost it. It's all good. It's all good. Don't worry about it. Four-hour chart. We still have this hidden divergence at play. Break and below at 20. Looking like it might be a little bit painful for Ethereum. Starting to get that divergence also against the RSI now. Slightly lower there. So good thing that we recapped, right? Now we can see what's happening. Nice, David. Awesome. All right, now let's go to ADA. What is happening with ADA? Only on the 4 hour. That bearish divergence play. We're looking for that hidden bullish. Look at that. We still have that hidden bullish, but barely. I'm not liking where this is going now. We might get rid of it, and it's not a big drop that it has to take to get rid of it. And then it's bye-bye. We no longer have hidden bullish. We just have strong bearish, and we still move down, right? Let's go to EOS. Yeah. All right, EOS on the 4 hour again, getting some stagnation. Nothing else happening here. Overbought at 76.24. Let's go to the 4 hour, or the 1 hour. Sorry, low to high negative. Are we doing more negative now? Nope, still not. We still have that bearish divergence reaction to downside, and that's what's playing us here to the downside, right? This bearish divergence. Bring us down. Low to high, low, still slightly higher. Nothing here, man. I mean, it's struggling. Struggling in EOS. Let's go to VT. BT 8.13% to the upside. Awesome. Again, got the nice rally. It's getting that pullback. We already discussed that. Let's go here on the 4 hour. We had that bearish divergence. Did we confirm having it by the time this candle closed? No, I think we might have gotten rid of it. Yeah, we've gotten rid of it. We're still getting some pullback, though, from something. There's nothing here that is bearish. All right. Trying to see if I missed something here in my first run. I think I did miss this hidden divergence on the first time I run through this. It's already played, so it doesn't really matter, but we had this hidden bullish divergence. And I just missed that one on today's run. Off the V chain. There we go. Let's go to the 1 hour. Again, hidden bullish on the 1 hour, pumping on that. There's nothing bearish. You could just be taking a small break before it actually keeps on running, right? And that's your V chain. The VT, man. Right on. Thank you guys for sticking around. I'll be right back. Just give me one quick second. I gotta go to the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. I'm back. Thank you for that. I'm waiting for that quick intermission. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like, the bell, and sub, right? Join us on Discord. Links are going out right now. Right, let's do some quick markets, I guess. Facts is in the house. What's up, dude? You're a trillionaire in Zimbabwe. Right. Let's do some quick markets. We haven't done markets. Gold. Sorry, silver. Let's start with silver on the daily. Last thing we had was this divergence. Guess what? We did talk about this briefly on what was it? Yesterday we looked at them real quick, and then you just didn't draw anything on them. Right? Look at that. Right? High to low. We don't have it here. Again, strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI. Just bought it. It's 6.33. Potential action to downside sitting at $27.43 for silver. Gold at 1,820. Same stuff happening, right? Going slightly higher. Coming slightly lower against the MACD, but nothing against the RSI. Just bought at 65.49 at $1,820. Let's go to... sorry. I wasn't able to mute the mic real quick, man. Elon of Lurking. Thank you for being here, man. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go to Dow Jones. Dow Jones, man. I usually am pretty good at muting the mic real quick, and this one just sneaked up on me. Dow still pumping a little bit, right? Look at that, going higher. Look at this, positive, negative, high to low on the RSI. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD. And the RSI for potential action and downside. Sorry guys, I'm starting to feel really tired. Salud, gracias. Let's finish with the markets, man. That's Dow Live, still pumping a little bit more. S&P 500 bearish divergence moving down on that. That is good. Low to high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish. We might start to get some action to the upside, and probably part of the reason that we're bouncing at that 20 moving average again. Nothing crazy happening. We are, bought at 62.75. Let's go check out that FTSE. The FTSE, right? That's how we call it in the UK. The FTSE. The FTSE roll, man. High to low, strong bearish divergence. For potential action downside might get us to go down, hit that 20. At 6,936. Nikkei. Silver's moving. Yep. Silver is moving. Low to high, high to low. Hidden bullish, actually the upside. Going up, hitting that 20. Rejection slightly. Nothing bearish here on Nikkei. Toronto. Bearish divergence moving down. Low to high, negative, less negative. Low, lower slightly, dude. Is it really? 52.36. 52.16. Very slight. Hidden bullish. Full potential action to the upside. Here you go. DXY. Rejecting the 20. Great. We did have that bullish divergence for action to the upside. That's fine. Haven't created anything bearish. We're just getting rejection of the 20. And that's fine again. So you get 90.86 on the DXY. West Texas. Oil. At 65.18. Again, going higher. Coming lower. I do have this drawn already, but I have it on this other chart for Brent because they behave the same. That bearish divergence is there. It's bringing that pressure down. That is it for the markets. Let's go back to the corn real quick. Oh, 55,000. Come on, it should recover, man. It should try to recover. Oh, man. Joe Grows is here. Joe Grows in the house with the butthead. What else are we going to do, man? I'm not sure. What do I have here? What haven't I used in a while? I haven't used that in a while.
Yeah, well, that's just like your opinion, man. My name is Jeff.
Did Elon just tweet something? So what is the state of crypto right now? It's bullish, dude. We're in a bull market. Bitcoin, I just think it's taking a break. And Bitcoin taking that break is giving the alts a chance to catch up because some alts hadn't pumped as hard. So alts are catching up. I think after that we might see alts stagnate a bit, Bitcoin take over for the next run, and then alts probably catch up to Bitcoin in a second wave. I think that's what we might see happening, David. I don't think the bull market's over. All season usually comes in. We usually see the market crash. I don't think that's what's going to happen. I think we're just taking a small intermission or a mid-time break here or something. Joe with the kind cheers. Thank you very much for that, Joe.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Pikachu. Oh, someone requested Ivan, dude. Let's already closed, bro. I was going to look at that that Elon tweet. Is that what he typed? Cryptocurrency is promising, but please invest with caution. Nice. Man. Today we did 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 25 coins. We usually did 30, man. We didn't take us that long. I'm not sure why I moved so quickly through all the projects, but we did 35 projects, man. 25 projects, sorry. It used to take us from like 9 p.m. all the way till like 1 in the morning for me to move through all those projects. I think it's because there's so many more people. There's a lot of chat. There's not a lot of chat right now, and we only have 22 people watching, so it's still good. But just taking I would say just take it slow, I guess. That's what he said. It's awesome. I think we're calling it a stream now. By the way, we do have membership, guys. If you haven't become a member, if you want to support the channel, you can become a member of Instead of Crypto. You can get access to cool emotes right now. We haven't figured out what else we're going to do for members. But if you do, you're going to get access to our Seamus emotes right now. And those are pretty cool. Those are pretty sweet. You can use Seamus with a Bitcoin here. Lots of people watching me now. The market isn't hot. Lots of people interested in it. I think the market is hot, dude. We still see a lot of projects moving hardcore throughout the day. So I think the market is very hot. I mean, Bitcoin hasn't made a major move. Ethereum hasn't made a major move. And Dutch hasn't made a major move. So a lot of people, I guess, are into those. Look at Facts showing off his nice emotes that he gets with his membership. The Elon Musk of lurking. He says he's all in on Doge. We actually have an Elon here on the chat, which is pretty cool. We have an Elon, our own Elon Musk. $56 likes is pretty bullish. Yeah, I think it showed 55 for me. Dude, W, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank
Thank
you
you very much. Fact says laughing, crying, beer, bullish, thumbs up. Thumbs down, Bitcoin. See, he's flexing. That's how I support the channel. Thank you very much, David. David, I appreciate it. Again, guys, if you haven't done it, hit the like button, sub, right? Join us on Discord. Link's going out right now. After that, I'll send out the Twitter. And you can also go join us on Twitter. The Twitter, right? Elon pump that Doge. Oh yeah, no, I don't want him to pump the Doge, dude. I don't want him to pump the Doge. I mean, I don't mind Doge going up. I really wish. Like, Doge is not a. I'm sure how to say this. Doge is not the most awesome project out there. It's just like a meme project. And see a meme project performing better than some other good cryptos with a lot of like really promising tech. It's just really like what's happening with this freaking world, man? Like, where tech is being overdone by meme coins, right? It's overtaken, right? Anyways. Yo, you can check out the merch. That's right. On Teespring. Bring Fast has bought merch. He says it's pretty legit. Still haven't gotten mine. Gotta wait for them to like get to my parents' house and then them send it back here whenever they go to Mexico. So not sure when I'm gonna get my merch. I didn't order it free to arrive here because otherwise the shipping is expensive as hell. Andrew says Doge equals Bitcoin. I doubt it. Doge has a bigger market cap than ADA. Yeah. I think we looked at that the other day, right? Let's refresh the list. Doge still worth a lot more than XRP. But not as much, though. XRP did... Sorry, guys. XRP did end up catching up to it a little bit. Sorry, I'm starting to get really tired, man. Again, that dinner really hit a number, and coffee's like... not helping, dude. J Money. Mind if I can in harmony? Dude, already finished taking requests for the night. We didn't even do it once on the stream, so I could just do a quick recap. J Money Gaming, but do come tomorrow, dude. Come in early and you can request them, and I can do them, right? Anyways. I'm just gonna be signing off, dude. I'm starting to get really, really tired. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Thanks for being here, man. I really appreciate it. There's always more. Yeah, I know. I think next week we might start doing the stream at 8 p.m. Central. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do it an hour earlier and see how it goes. Right? So we'll see how that works. Guys, thanks for watching. Yeah. What Doge being compared to Bitcoin is a bad meme. Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching tonight. Again, this is Untitled Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Thursday night. I hope you have an awesome trading day tomorrow, awesome trading night, whatever it is in the time zone that you're looking at us. And if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out plenty of times. Remember, all the information that we produce here is for entertainment and education purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. We're all just discussing ideas and teaching on technicals. Now, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. If you want to help us grow and you have a Twitter, you can go onto our Twitter and retweet our tweets when we go live, and then, you know, maybe more people might join us. And that'll be awesome because we really want to get this community off the ground again. We did take a hit with, you know, the channel going away for so long, and really struggling to get the numbers back up. So yeah, if you help us bring awareness, that's going to help out a lot, and I think that really helps a lot more than any donation. But thank you for being here again, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Untitled Crypto. Until then.